Namaste, myself Dr. Raj, and in this video we are going to see how to perform one factor pooled analysis for CRD. Pooled analysis, that means CRD experiment has been done for one or for more than 1 year or for more than one location. So let's see how to perform one factor pooled CRD analysis using the website www.agrianalyze.com. Let's see first the arrangement of the dataset. So here I have experiment with 8 treatments, and that has been done. The experiment has been repeated for 3 years. So I will arrange data like this: treatment followed by year, and then I will write the trait for which I want to perform analysis. Here I have kept 2 traits. You can have 5, 10, 15, 20. That's up to your research problem. So arrange the data set like this. Make sure that each treatment is repeated same number of times. That means if T1 is repeating 8 times, then T2 must also repeat 8 times, and so on up to T8. Same goes for a year also. Year or location, you can place here location if it's been multi-locational trial. I am giving example of multi-year trial. So year 1 also must be repeated same number of time as year 2, and so with year 3. I am sharing this file in the description box. Feel free to check out. Let's now move towards our website. So this is the website agrianalyze.com. This is the home page of the website. I will click on analytical tool. Then I will check out for designs of experiment. Here we have option of CRD analysis. In CRD, I will be going for one factor pooled CRD analysis. Pooled, that means for more than 1 year or for more than one location, combined analysis is done. I will click here. Now I need to upload the file. Make sure your file is in CSV format, not in Excel format. So now choose the file. I am choosing the file that I have shown to you. Once you choose the file, if your file is correct, that is following all the proper structures, it will show you this file successfully uploaded. After that, you need to select the treatment column. So select the treatment. Then we have year column or location column. So select year or location. Now you are left out with the variables for which analysis needs to be done. So here analysis will be done for 2 variables, yield and plant height. Then we have option of multiple comparison test. You can choose one of the 3. Generally people use least significant difference test. This is the most commonly preferred multiple comparison test by researchers. Then I am clicking on this submit button. Then I will click on this submit. Once I click on the submit, the analysis will be done. The analysis will also be along with the interpretation side. So interpretation will also be done in the same analysis in the same PDF file. So if you get stuck somewhere, there is a WhatsApp need help button. Just click on this WhatsApp need help button. You will directly get in touch with the founder of the Agri Analyze, and you can share your problem there. I would be very happy to help you guys. Then click on this download button. Once you click on this download button, you need to save the output file. So let me just give the name CRD output. pulled. Let's open this file. Now there were 8 treatments and 3 years and 2 traits, that is yield and plant height. So now the analysis, this is the analysis for trait, yield and year 1. So what it will do, it will first do year wise simple CRD analysis. So like this is for year 1 CRD. Okay, so this gives me the CRD analysis for trait, yield and year 1. These are the ANOVA. Then we have different statistics like SCM, SCD, CD 5%, that is critical difference 5%, 1%. Some people also call critical difference as least significant difference. Then last we have coefficient of variation, that is CV percent. So it's 20.42% coefficient of variation. Below that you have interpretation of the results. So the results that are shown in the ANOVA table, that is above, that are interpreted in this line. Then we have chosen least significant difference test for comparison of the means. Total 8 treatments were there. So this has done LSD comparison for 8 treatments. You can see, and it is also given you the grouping that is essentially required in research publication. After that, it also gives the interpretation of the LSD value. You can see it has giving me the highest value was observed for treatment T1 and treatment T4 and T5 were found statistically at par with it. So you can see the highest value was observed for T1, and as T4 and T5 are sharing same letter, that is AA, so it is giving us that T1 and T4 and T5, so they are statistically at par. So T4 and T5 are statistically at par with T1. Then it will do the same for trait yield and year 2. Then it will again repeat for trait yield and year 3. After that, this is the important thing. What it will do, it will perform Bartlett's test for checking homogeneity of variances for all the 3 years. That means the error mean square. Let me just draw your attention. This is the error mean square for year 3. This is the error mean square for year 2. And this is the error mean square for year 1. It will do the Bartlett's test for comparing the, for ensuring that the variances are homogeneous or not. So these are the results. This is the null hypothesis of Bartlett's test, and this is the interpretation of Bartlett's test. Okay. After that, we came to our main part, that is combined completely randomized design analysis for trait yield. That means all the 3 year 1, 2 and 3 results, the data is pulled and combined analysis is run. Okay, it is not just taking the average of these 3 years and giving us the value. It is doing a combined analysis of experiment. So here we have 3 null hypotheses. First one is regarding years, that all the 3 years are same. Then it is giving us that second null hypothesis that all treatments are same. And the third one is the interaction between year and treatment are same. So you can see this ANOVA. Then we have statistics, same statistics, standard error of mean, standard error of deviation, CD value or LSD value for treatment year and interaction of treatment and year. Then we have coefficient of variation also. And we have interpretation of ANOVA results for all the 3 components, that is year, treatment and interaction. Also we have chosen the multiple comparison test. We have chosen LSD, so it will give us the results of LSD for year, then treatment and interaction. You can see also it is giving me the interpretation of LSD results for each component. Once the yield component is completed, it repeats the same analysis, entire analysis for plant height. Okay, for plant height, if you have given 20 analysis, okay, 20 dependent variables, it will do analysis for 20 dependent variables and compile this that in one PDF and give you. So I hope you find this tool very useful to you. You can just directly use this for research publication or addition of that in your thesis. I hope you find this tool very useful. Thank you for watching this video.